If you want to quickly design your logo to look modern, I suggest that you go to canva.com, and over here you can make a free account and you will be able to create a logo for free. So let's start. In the home page you can click logo over here, or just type in logo. If you can see it down there, click logo, and over here you can see lots and lots of templates. On the left side you can choose the style and theme, and over here you can choose the price. Let's go with free. And over here choose the template. Let's go for example this first one, just to show you how it works. Click on it and you can see that you can choose the elements over here. Now let's change for example the text to show cookies, for example, like this. Let's change the font style. Just click on a text, and over here in the drop down menu choose the font, like this. If it's too big, click on your font and over here reduce the size to make it look in the middle. Over here like this. Over here we have cookies, so go to elements and you can see that you can take the cookies from here. For example this one, put it on the side, delete this inner one and put these cookies inside, like this. And you can see that you can create a logo within 5 minutes or so. If you take 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I'm sure that it will look better. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.